All right, good morning. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. We're at 2702 Boulevard. We're going to mostly do external on the house here. The inside, it's boarded up. There's not a lot of light inside, and structurally, it's a little bit on the sketchy side. So, just for safety's sake, while I'm holding the camera and everything, we're going to just stick mostly to the exterior on this. Okay. So let's walk around. You can see the siding here, all the original wood siding. Definitely needs to be resurfaced, right? You could wrap it in vinyl siding. Probably would take away from some of the character. So it really depends on what your objective here is with the home. We got a ton of overgrowth of vegetation here, so we're talking about cleaning out all this stuff and taking a look at what kind of breaches there are on this. But I mean, you could easily take a look at replacing a whole lot of this wood that's here on the outside. The other thing that we're going to need to take a look at is the foundation. So can't really get a good look at the foundation from the outside over here, but as I was walking through the interior, and we'll take a look, certainly I'll take you inside shortly. But seeing the porch here, which isn't uncommon to see stuff like this on the porch, but there is going to be a little bit of concern with the foundation, so we want to make sure that we're good there. Again, sides over here, you can see a breach on the side of the house. This is a little alleyway over here. Breach on the side of the house. I was talking with the neighbors, and there's concerns of raccoons, other animals that are living in the attic space or in the other portions of the house, which again is another reason why we'll be very careful and limited on our interior walkthrough of this property. All right, so backyard backs up over here. We're really close to the highway, and again, we're really close to Ivy Tech, to IUPUI, etc. Walking distance within all of those things. So really, location is fantastic for the property. So I'll go inside here and give you a quick little taste of what it looks like. Okay, so not going to be able to tell the wood floors. I don't, these are definitely, the wood floors that are on here, but there's this wide plank. All of this is going to have to be redone and are even taken down to the sub flooring right here. Extremely squishy. You can see it breach right there from the flooring. And here's carpeting, but again, this is all going to get torn up. We go over here, see if you can see it into the would be the kitchen area. I know there's not a lot of light. There are built-ins here, but depending on, the floor is in just complete disrepair. Depending on what ultimately the structure is, some of these could be salvaged, might not be salvaged, and everything. I'm not going to walk back here. Again, it's really a little bit, a little iffy on it and everything. So, but I'll get this physical statistics for you, and I'll walk it when I don't have a camera, so we can get you some more information. Upstairs here, again, you can see what we're looking like. So it's a small footprint, 2-story property though. So take a look at the numbers, give us a call, and be sure to subscribe to the page. Thanks a lot.